स्वस्ति नस्तारिक्षो वरिष्ठनेमि स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ पया पृथिव्यं पयोषधेषु पयो दिव्यन्तरिक्षे पयस्वति प्रदिशा सन्तु मह्यम् विष्णोरनाथमसि विष्णो स्वप्नस्थो विष्णो शिवरसि वैष्णवमसि विष्णवे त्वा अग्निर्देवता वातो देवता सूर्यो देवता चन्द्रमा देवता.
My husband, at all times I shall fill your heart with courage and strength. In your happiness I shall rejoice.
Oh, my beloved, I will love you and you alone as my wife.
I love you with single-minded devotion as my husband.
You have brought favor and sacredness in my life.
May I fill your heart with great joy and peace.
You have filled my heart with happiness.
I just want to say thank you, first of all, for having us all here to share this moment with you. I think we're all extremely happy to be here and see the two of you. Honestly, you guys look so beautiful.
Can we hold the line? Can we hold the line? Yeah, this is where we ride. This is where we ride. Facing the destiny.
And Rosie and Arjun, we couldn't be happier that you two have decided to spend your lives together.
We won't go
Wow, what a wedding it's been. Let us start by please saying thank you very much for organizing and hosting such an incredible event.
Can we hold the line? Yeah, this is where we ride. This is where we ride.
In Hinduism, you live together for 7 lifetimes.
A good marriage must be created. In marriage, the little things are the big things. It is not only marrying the right person, but it is being the right partner.
I know